We studied research design and research process briefly previously. Now we will understand there are different types of research designs. But the first type is experimental research. Experimental research. It is basically a useful form of analysis that professional uses in variety of industry. Experimental research is a method of gathering information, data on a subject through observation in controlled settings. Understanding the benefits of experimental research can design help you better use it for professional career. So it's a useful form of analysis that a professional use in a variety of industries. Experimental research is a form of comparative analysis in which you study two or more variables and observe a group under a certain condition or groups experiencing different condition. By assessing the result of this type of study, you can determine correlations between the variables applied and their effects on each group. Experimental research uses the scientific method to find preferable ways of accomplishing a task for a providing a service. Experimental research, as I already mentioned, is a scientific method of conducting research using two variables, that is independent and dependent variable. Independent variable can be manipulated to apply to dependent variable, and the effect is measured. This measurement usually happens over a significant period of time to establish conditions and conclusions about the relationship between these two variables. This research is widely implemented in education, psychology, social science, physical science, and is based on observation, calculation, comparison, and logic. Researchers here collect quantitative data and perform statistical analysis of two sets of variables. This method collects necessary data to focus on what facts and supports that sounds decision. It is helpful approach when time is a factor in establishing causes and effect relationship, or when an invariable behavior is seen between the two. This research deals with quantitative data and its statistical analysis, which makes the study extremely useful and accurate. It finds its usability in fields of psychology, social science, education, physical education, as I mentioned earlier. So now we understand what is experimental research. Let's look into the characteristics types